Hi, welcome to Lanas y Ovillos. My name is Alba, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this jacket. It's really easy. You only have to make a rectangle with a hole for the sleeves, and you only have to repeat one stitch. Let's go with a step by step. Now I'm going to show you in this paper the construction of the jacket. This is the part of the neck, and this is the part of the waist. So this is the top part of the jacket and this is the bottom part of the jacket. With those explanations you can take measures on the body. So you have to start making a chain to have this size, and then continue with the front part, making the stitches as I will explain. You have to make the front part, and then here you can see this line. This line is the armhole. Then you will have to make the armhole. Continue working on the back part, make the other armhole, and at the end you have to make the other front part. Once you finish the rectangle, you only have to take the stitches of the armhole to make the sleeves on both sleeves. You can see that it's really easy. You can take the measures. Here you can see the paper from the neck to the waist. This part is the front, so from the middle of the body to one side to arrive at the armhole. This is the front part. Make the part of the back part of the body and repeat the same size of the front part to make the other front part. To make a medium size, I used 800 grams of this yarn from the brand Casasol, 100 grams of yarn, and 100 meters, an 8mm crochet hook and scissors. In this case I'm going to show you how to make the stitches with a smaller sample, because it will be easier for you to see the construction of the jacket. So make a slip knot and make as chains as you need to have the size from the neck to the waist. Once you have the size of the chain that you need, you only have to chain 2 and make 1 half double crochet on each chain. 1 half double crochet on each chain. Continue with 1 half double crochet on each chain to the end. Once you have all that half double crochet, you have to chain 2, turn, and start again 1 row with half double crochet, but in this case you only have to take the back loop of the previous stitch. So taking the back loops, 1 half double crochet on each half double crochet, taking only the back loops, remember. Make the half double crochet to the end of the row. Once we finished the second row, we have to make again chain 2, turn, and repeat the same that we made on the previous row. 1 half double crochet on each half double crochet, but taking only the back loops, only taking the back loops. This is what you have to repeat to have the size of the front. Now, once you have the size of the front, you have to start the row of the armhole. To to make the row of the armhole, you have to make half double crochet to arrive at the top part of the armhole, and then make as many chains as you need to have the size of the hole. So for example, if you need 6 chains, then you have to skip 6 stitches on the bottom part. If you have to make 12 chains, you have to skip 12 stitches on the bottom part. So skip the stitches and continue making 1 half double crochet on each half double crochet to the end of the row. Remember, taking only the back loops. Then continue. Now you start the part of the back, making the same. Chain 2, turn 1 half double crochet on the half double crochet, taking the back loops, and once you arrive at the chains, if you have 6 chains for example, you have to make 1 half double crochet on each chain to keep the same number of half double crochet that you had on the previous rows. And then continue making chain 2, turn 1 half double crochet on each half double crochet to have the size of the back. Once you have the size of the back, you have to start again with 1 armhole. You have to start the armhole on 1 row where you have the previous armhole on the top part. So repeat the same, make the half double crochet to arrive at the armhole. Make the same number of chains that you made on the previous armhole. So if you had 6 chains, you have to chain 6. Skip the same number of stitches of chains that you made. So if you make chain 6, you have to skip 6 stitches and continue making the half double crochet to the end. Remember, taking the back loops. Then complete the rectangle with a chain 2, turn, continue making half double crochet, taking the back loops to the chain, 1 half double crochet on each chain, and continue with half double crochet, taking the back loops to the end. and you only have to complete the rectangle with rows with half double crochet, taking the back loops. And here you can see the rectangle. You finished the base of the rectangle. As we said before, we started from the front, the back, the other front, and if you bend it, you can see the shape of the jacket. If you want, you can leave it like a vest, but I am going to add a sleeves. So take the same yarn, and on the armhole, on the bottom part of the armhole, you have to place the yarn, chain 2, and make 1/2 double crochet on each stitch that you find. In my case, for example, I have 4 stitches, so I have to make 4 half double crochet. Then you have to make 2 half double crochet. Continue on the other side of the armhole with, again, in my case, 4 half double crochet. Make again 2 extra half double crochet. So you have to make the number of the chains that you skipped to make the armhole. If you have chain 10, you have to make 10 stitches in one side, 10 stitches in the other side, 2 stitches on the top part and 2 stitches on the bottom part. So 10 plus 10 plus 4, so 24 stitches will be the number of stitches of the sleeve. Once you have all the stitches, you have to make a slip stitch and continue working the sleeve with chain 2, and taking only the back loops, make 1 half double crochet on each stitch. 1 half double crochet on each stitch, completing the size of the sleeve. Once you have the sleeve, once you have one sleeve, you have to repeat the same on the other armhole. And once you finish the second sleeve, you finished your jacket. Well, that's all. I hope you like it. Remember to give a like, share and subscribe to receive the notifications of my new videos.